What is up, everyone? So today, I'm watching Dude Perfect. Okay, so please comment down below if you like this video. 10,000 likes since I only got 0. I think this video is gonna look nice.
Luke and Len. That is all.
Okay, guys. So I'm starting with a short video, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And I'm also doing a shout out. If all you have to do is subscribe, turn on notifications, comment.